Hi everybody, it's Wendy Lee. I'm back with the haul today. This is a little bit of a collective haul from eBay and Amazon. I picked up quite a few fun goodies that I wanted to share with you. So I'm putting on lotion right now because my hands feel like super dry. We are gonna start off with eBay. Okay, so the first thing that I got this super cute die. What is this one called? This one is called Urban Interiors. And the reason why I wanted it was two reasons. I absolutely love the Monstera plant, and I love the wall hanging there, the macrame wall hanging. And I love that little phone. I mean, I just love everything about this. I think it's so cute. I think this would be really cute if you're doing like a little miniature scene. It'd be cute to, you know, piece some of these things in there in your scene. But it's number 664383 by Olivia Rose. This was on clearance on the Sizzix site and I missed it. So my husband went on eBay and found it and bought it for me. So got that. Then he also got me these cute little mini paper doilies from Doodlebug, the black ones. I don't think they sell them in stores anymore, but you can still find them on eBay. And then he got me this. It's made by My Favorite Things Dynamics, and this is the All-Star High Top. So I thought that was so adorable. So got that. Then I also got from eBay this die set, which I saw Jen, is it Strawberries and Cream 39? I'm gonna link her channel below, and I'll link her Instagram. She showed a photo on Instagram where she had made the little campers and they were so adorable. And so I added this to my Pinterest list of like my wish list, and my husband got this for me. So it comes with all sorts of cute dies, like the balloons and the presents and the kite and the lounge chair and the ice cream. This is the Summer Fun die set, and it's by Tonic Studios. I'm sure you can probably get it on Tonic Studios website too. It's just he found a better deal on eBay. And then I also got this from eBay. This is a wax seal, and let me show you. It is so cute. It is a carousel. So look how cute that is. I haven't tried it out yet, and I already have the handle to just, you know, screw it onto. So got that. Then he also got me these Tim Holtz dies, and let me see, what are these ones called? Do these have a name? And I'm just missing it. It's number 658255. And I don't think these have a name. But what does it say down here? Oh, sorry, Mini Snowflake Rosette. It's down at the bottom. But I thought those would be pretty for like winter and Christmassy projects, which I have some Christmas in July stuff coming, so that's why I picked those up. And then I also got these photo place stamps because a while back I had ordered the dies, and I thought I was ordering, when I ordered the dies they were literally like just the outlines. I didn't realize that it came with stamps and you needed both of them to get the look you were looking for. And yeah, so I got those. These are the what is this one called? ALXX Aloha, I guess. Yeah, Aloha photopolymer stamps. So super cute. Then I got this Bo Bunny die set, and I really wanted it for the popsicles, which I thought were cute, but it also has It comes with ants, the popsicles, the ice cream cone, the watermelon, and the picnic basket. Adorable. And then from Amazon, I got this. So I had been wanting, I was actually searching for like hole reinforcers, like the stickers, but then I came across this and I thought this was a better item to buy, because you could just make your own with any kind of paper and make it match your project. So like if you're, you know, cutting holes on something and you just want to make around the hole stronger, you just cut out some paper to match your project and just glue it on. And yeah, so I thought that was a cute punch. And then I got this adorable die set, you guys. They're corsets. Let me open them. I cannot wait to play with these. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, so cute. I think this one you can make into a shaker, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, I think it goes like this. I think it goes on top, and then you can put the ribbons on top of it. And then it also comes with this one. I love that. Got that. Then I'm working on a 4th of July project. So I found these dies, the stars. And let's see. I also got this bottle cap hole punch. So I was talking to my friend Dimples on Instagram, and we were talking about like, making like bottle cap tassels and stuff. And I was saying, you know, you can punch holes in your bottle caps. They have bottle cap hole punches, and I used to have one, but I couldn't find it, and so I just ordered this one. So I got that. And I got a nail polish. I got a gel nail polish. So it is, this brand had a lot of good reviews, and it's just like a really pretty lilac color. So I got that. And I've been doing a lot of organizing, and I needed a label maker, and my old label maker died on me. So I got this Dymo one, Dymo Color Pop. And the fun thing is that it has like lots of little different colored tapes. I think it comes with blue glitter tape, and then you can order like gold glitter, pink glitter. There's like a bunch of different ones that you can order. So I got that. They also sell this at like Target and stuff too. And then I got a couple more die sets. Let me open them because the sticker kind of hides it, and you're not going to be able to see it through the plastic very well. So I got this one, and this one can be made into an oven, and you can put like cookies and stuff on it, or it can be made into a washing machine. So it also comes with this piece right here. So I just thought that was so cute and so fun. So I got that. And then I also got see. I got this for the 4th of July. So it's a heart, and one corner of the heart is the stars. So I thought that was really cute. And I got this. You guys, I don't know what this is. I do not remember what this is. It looks like, I need to look at my order. This looks like a coffee machine and a bow, 2 bows, but what is this? Is it a memory index? And then there's coffee here. Like, what is this? Like bows and coffee and like a memory? Like, what is this thing? I do not remember. I don't remember. So got that. We're gonna have to see what that is. And then there's one more. Let me open it. I got these really cute candy shakers. I think those are so cute. And they come with stamps. So what does the stamp say? Love is sweet, trick or treat, candy shake, wishing you a sweet birthday, candy time just for you. So a bunch of different cute little sayings on there. So yeah, that was my Amazon and eBay haul. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll leave a comment, subscribe, like this video. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.